What up, YouTube? Sure, I've been up to today. When my buddies came over from the railroad, he wanted a roof rack, or tire rack, or whatever you want to call this thing. And we built it out of 1 3/4 exhaust pipe. And pretty tired. I started on it probably about 11 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock now. I ain't get finished with it. He's gonna come over tomorrow. I'm gonna finish it up and get paid on it. But yeah, this is what it is. He got it on he got a Hummer, some type of Hummer. It's one of those military looking Humvee Hummers, or whatever you want to call those things. I don't know too much about them, but that's what he got. And Sean, man, I didn't mean to ignore your text message, man. I just got it. I had my phone in the garage, and I was out here working on this thing non-stop. But I'll go up there Monday, and I'll send it, and then I'll shoot you a text how everything turned out. I'll try to make a video and get that out, put that up, and you know what I'm saying, show you that I sent it and everything. Ain't no funny business going on. I don't like to mess over people because I don't like to get messed over. But yeah, I'll do that Monday. If I'm here, I might have to go out and take a train Monday. But if not, as soon as I get in, I'll go up there and I'll send it, and I'll let you know. Just shoot me your address in a text message. I think I deleted the last conversation we had, but shoot me your address or whatever, and I'll put that in mail to you and send it to you, bro. So that's all on that. But yeah, YouTube, I'm about to go in. My old lady, she cooked me up a nice dinner. Cooked me up some oxtails, some greens, some white rice, and some beans. So I'm about to go in and eat like a king. So you guys take it easy. Peace.